Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Today I'm sharing this one-pot creamy chicken that is comforting, rich, and packed with flavors. My nod to the widely popular Tuscan chicken. It's a dish that you're going to love and hope that you're going to try in your own kitchen. So let's head to the table and do some prep work. For my recipe, I'm using chicken thighs, drumsticks. You can use a whole chicken, but be aware of chicken breast because of the overcooking. Some peppers, some nice tomato medley that are in season, definitely some heavy cream, chicken stock, onion, dry thyme, oregano, some chili flakes just for a slight kick, garlic, parsley, rosemary, grated parm just to add some richness, tomato paste. Finish the dish with some spinach and definitely some cooking wine. Now get this out of our way. Get a cutting board. Now trim off the excess skin from the thighs. They usually come with a lot of excess skin when we pay for all these. The drumsticks, they don't have a lot of trimming to do. So all these. So I have about 4 drumsticks and 4 thighs. Get this out of our way. So still on the cutting board, season the chicken with salt and pepper at both sides. And then we'll start searing this. As always, I will share all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box for you. Make sure that the chicken is just thoroughly seasoned with salt and pepper here. Now 1 medium yellow onion, peel and slice. Cut in half. Set aside. Some cloves of garlic, enough to make a tablespoon or so. Give this garlic a rough chop. For the bell peppers, I'm going to need just half of the red. For the orange or yellow, I'm going to use the whole of it because this is slightly smaller. Then slice. Same thing with the red, but cut this in other half. Set the peppers aside. Cut these tomato medleys into halves, like so. Back into the bowl. Now for the rosemary, just take off these tender leaves. You can definitely use dry, but use just about a 1/4 teaspoon. Now some washed parsley here. This will be for cooking and finishing. Just take the tender leaves here, that's all we need. The stems you can save for stalks. All done here. Off to the stove. Start the cooking. Into this preheating pan, add cooking oil. I'm using grape seed. You can use any, about 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, start searing the chicken. The thighs skin side down. The drums don't matter. Hopefully everything fits into the pan. Squeeze in this little one. Let's check this chicken how they are doing after about 4 minutes. You want just some slight color. Give everything a turn and continue searing until all sides are browned. This chicken looks good to me, so off it comes. Into the same pan, add the onions. I will switch to a spatula. Cook these onions until they slightly get some color. Once the onions have slightly browned, add the garlic. The tomatoes goes in. The peppers. Tomato paste. Cook until all these starts to soften. You can also season with some salt and some black pepper. Also add the rosemary, thyme, dried oregano, a pinch red pepper flakes. This is optional. It's going to give the dish a slight kick. Deglaze the pan with about a half a cup of cooking wine. It's a good time that you can pull your favorite bottle and use it. Let the wine cook off just so slightly. Into the pan, 2 cups chicken stock. Bring the heat to high. Return the chicken. Just nudge. Return all the accumulated juices. Lid on. Lower the heat to medium and continue cooking until the chicken is almost done. That will be about 15 to 20 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes or so. I opened the pot once and gave the chicken a stir just to make sure that it's cooked all through. You can see the drumsticks are pulling away, a good sign that they're getting there. We will pull this chicken off. Now bring the heat all the way up and let the sauce slightly reduce. Now into this pan, about a half a cup heavy cream, about a quarter cup grated Parm cheese or Parmesan cheese. Give this a good stir. Let everything come together and reduce again. Now, once you are satisfied with the reduction here, return the chicken. Everything goes back. Just cover it slightly on halfway, reduce the heat back to medium. Cook for about 5 minutes. Now this dish looks good to me. You just want to be careful. You don't want to break the sauce. Add some of the parsley. Now finish with some baby spinach for some greenery freshness. Remember, spinach carry a lot of water in them, so they are going to lighten the sauce just so slightly instead of adding any more liquid. It's about 4 cups spinach. Kale will work too. Now turn off the heat, touch more parsley, check for seasoning. It's good. Enjoy this deliciousness as is. Serve myself a thigh, a drumstick that is almost falling off the bone. Some of this delicious sauce, the peppers, the spinach. A good time to dig into this deliciousness. Look at all that. So the chicken is perfectly cooked. Some of these peppers, the spinach. This is so good. Wow, what a dish. I hope it's a recipe that you can try in your own kitchen. Serve this over rice. Pasta is perfect for it. It's gonna soak up all those rich juices. and you have yourself a very comforting, rich dinner that you can do for your family or friends. This is also perfect for entertaining. Thank you so much for watching this one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below what you think about the recipe. I will see you in the next one. Give me a sub.